On Wednesday evening, 3 campus organizations partnered up to host a casino night.
Casino night is a part of DEI Week, which is a part of the Diversity, Equity, Inclusion Cabinet and SGA, and we decided to partner with them and the Student Alumni Association to host Casino night.
The goal of DEI Week is to show students the importance of connecting with one another regardless of race or background.
Well, we really just want to get students from all different types of backgrounds, nationalities, and all different types of students just together for one fun night, casino night. Everybody kind of, just has fun, different types of games, different types of people. So we're just bringing all of our student body together as one.
Some of the activities from casino night include a hot meal, hanging with friends, and of course, playing games.
Although this is the Trojan Center and no casino in Vegas, it's safe to say that students that came out to Wednesday night's event had plenty of options as far as games to play. Some of the games behind me include craps and blackjack.
Casino night was not the only event from DEI Week.
We had movie night Monday, and Tuesday we had the Unity Walk, and tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday we're going to have a TC table set up for a raffle that people can enter.
DEI Week will run until the end of the day on Friday, March 3rd. Emmaleigh Clegg, Troy, Trojan Vision News.